Your email marketing ensures you are sharing content with your list on a consistent basis. Can't write 6 emails a week? Do this. If you don't have time to write 6 or 7 emails each week to send to your list, try this method instead. Pick out several evergreen products that you know and trust and can promote to your list for months or even years to come. For example, your favorite hosting service or autoresponder, if you're in the internet marketing niche. Write 4 emails for each of these evergreen products. They can be standalone emails or a sequence with each email building on the previous one, whichever you prefer. Put a link in each email to the product or service you are promoting. Place these sequences into your autoresponder and schedule them to begin going out as soon as someone joins your list. I will leave you in the comments the autoresponder I use to do this automation. However, queue these emails so they only go out on Sundays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Monday and Wednesday are reserved for new emails you write, promoting new products. No matter when a new lead signs up, they start on the email sequences you've programmed. But they never receive them on Monday or Wednesday because this is when you send out your new, live emails. Now you're only having to write 2 emails per week. Once you get used to sourcing products to promote and writing the emails for them, you have a choice. You can either send more live emails and fewer autoresponder emails. Or you can use some of your new emails as automated sequences, assuming the products stay relevant and available. This method is a great way to ease into emailing 6 days a week. And it's perfect for the person who is currently working a full-time job, but looking to quit as soon as the online income is high enough. It's also perfect for the new marketer who takes a long time to write an email. No worries, you'll get faster with time. Try this method and see if it doesn't take some of the email writing pressure off of you. Hope it helps. Let me know in the comments.